Here are some words of comfort in these difficult times, which we all know but we have just forgotten amidst all this chaos going around us. I also know, and you are also aware, that this universe is always kind to us. Always. It always gives us rewards of learnings, and we are the unique children of this universe. We are His lovely people. Of course, sometimes universe gives us certain challenges, and there is this challenge in front of us today. But you need to know that this is to strengthen and awaken you. Universe has given us immense power to heal ourselves. In our nervous system, one single immune cell is almost 10,000 times stronger than any virus or bacteria. And we have millions of these cells in our body. Then how can anything harm us? Remember in childhood when we used to play, laugh, jump, dance, used to have wonderful immune system. Our skin was glowing all the time. Our bones were growing. Our body cells were multiplying in a beautiful way. Our glands were working normally. Weren't they? You are the same person, the same mind, the same blood, the same brain, the same organs, the same nervous system. Take a deep breath and just recall. Feel as if that energy storm from your childhood is rushing towards you. Just get that positive energy, that healing energy. See that energy storm rushing towards you and surrounding you now. And as you see this positive healing energy, you take a deep breath and breathe in all of that healing, seamless energy into your lungs and into your body. And with a sharp blow out, you are removing negative viruses out from your body. See, your immune system is clapping, celebrating again. See the energy storm, which is actually the blessing of Almighty, the grace of God from your childhood, is again rushing towards you. And again take a deep breath and inhale all that energy, killing all the alien bacteria and virus from your body, your blood, and with a sharp blowout just throw them out of the body. That's it. This is the breakthrough. Just feel the healing now. See that you are having the God with you. He is holding your hand. He is standing beside you. You are here to grow. You are here to shine. You are here to do so many meaningful things. Come on, get well and get going now. There are so many things that you have to do in life that the universe has assigned to you. You have to serve so many people. You have to open so many big hospitals, schools, colleges. You have to help so many old age people and contribute to charity. You can change lives of 1,000 people. You are destined for this. Why are you delaying? Why are you waiting for something to happen and then start? Tell the virus, enough is enough. Thank you for coming. Now can you just leave and let me focus on my life's purpose, my life's goals? I need to do many important things to be done for my family, for my society and for the world overall. And see the virus or the disease going away from you now. Say it's bidding you goodbye. It's just leaving. When you have such relevant goals in your life, these irrelevant things cannot take your attention away. God is holding your hand. His graces, His blessings are with you. Feel them now. Feel this healing. Feel this grace now. See the celebration in the future. Listen to the happy music. See the party that is going on in your future. Come on, get up. Move ahead. Just make a fist and release this disease, this stupid virus, and move beyond. You can do it. You have the powers in you. Your family needs you, and they are looking forward to you. Just get up and get going. Thank you so much.